Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off high performance mode on this smartphone. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings, then scroll down and choose Battery section. Now click on Performance over here and tap on OK in Performance Mode pop-up. As you can see, after that, higher performance is enabled, but you can always disable it by clicking on Balanced or Save Battery. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!